The way I do a niche is I cut the aluminium first and I fit it into place. I put the back in first, then I cut my aluminium, put it into place. Like so. Then I do the sides, and then I do the top and bottom, and I'm able to put a little bit of slope on it without interfering with the sides because they're already in. So I do the bottom first. You put on a bit of glue, allowing for a little bit of slope. Then you always have glue in the front to pick up your aluminium. I like using a milled edge against my aluminium. And you pop it in like so. Grab your trusty and give it a tap. Nice bit of slope. In this case, I always like my aluminium flush with the tile and then coming out a little bit there, so then I'm able to go around with silicone. Where's something? There, so that would have 1.5 mil, exactly the same as that grout line. 1.5 mil slope, and that is heaps without the shampoos and everything sliding off when there's soapy water. Mark the top. I've got the aluminium pretty close to the top, that's what you want to do, because you don't want to be trying to push your tile up there with heaps and heaps of glue, because it'll just sag. Ooh. Sounds like the next door neighbour's got a bit of a grunter. Ooh-ah. Sounds like a nice V8. We get the rubber hammer. I might have put on just a little bit too much glue there. But that's all right. We'll squish it up. Wiping the excess away. That's good. I'll get a sponge and water and wipe that off, the excess. That's nice. Now I'll just close up these miters. Now you always feel too busy. Send a message. Too busy, dude. If they want me, they can send a message. I haven't got time to answer my phone. Nah. They'll ring back. Sometimes you just put a wedge in like that, just to close your mitre up. Oh, nice. Well, the owner will love that. I'll tell him he might just get lucky. Stand back, admire your work when you're proud of it. I'm proud of that. I would have it in my own bathroom, and that's what you do for other people, what you do yourself. Thanks people for watching my channel. There's heaps to learn. See ya.